So it's a lot of time spent to listen to the teachings in order to pass the teachings. A lot of time spent, a lot of sacrifice put toward that direction. In any case, we need to meet that type of guru who's skilled in sutra and tantra, who's skilled in 108 volumes of Buddha's teachings. We need to find a teacher that's attained, who has bodhicitta, the realization shunyata, has skillful means, is unmoving in the mind, and in fact, a living Buddha. Those teachers do exist. Those teachers are around us. Those teachers are present. People who have infinite wisdom, infinite compassion, infinite knowledge, and they prove it by their work. The result of your life and what you have around you and what you do is a very clear indication of who you are. What you have, how you dress, how you live, your friends, what you eat, your physical body is a clear reflection of what your mind is focused on, what your mind is into, and what your mind actually likes. We can tell people this and that and that and this and this and this. We can tell anybody anything we like, and we may see them once in a blue moon, they might believe us. But anybody with wisdom can look at a person, their body, their speech, and their mind. They can look at their surroundings, what they carry, how they move, how they walk, to get an experience or get an idea of what's inside their mind and what's their focus.